Hey guys, how you been doing? Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I don't know, I've just been busy. I had to take my camera to school for a pictures class, so that's probably one reason why I've been kind of like, delaying future videos. But anyways, let's check that. I decided to do something that I should have done a long time ago, which is basically the meaning of this video, of this channel. Basically, what it is toys reviews. And better off than a first toy review is this guy. Godzilla. This is basically from the original 1954 classic. Which in Japanese is Godzilla, which basically means Godzilla in Japanese. Fun fact, basically the name Godzilla came from a tough guy at a restaurant in Tokyo, whose name was Godzilla. Basically the definition for Godzilla, and James Rolfe already explained, basically means a cross between gorilla and whale. Yeah. And basically Godzilla in Japanese, of course. In English, Godzilla. Anyways, yeah. This guy, he can have his arms move, all around, all the way. Which is cool. Although this arm for some reason blew up. I don't know. I just got this. I got this toy a few years ago. So it's pretty old. Head can rotate. Rotate. So yeah. And tail, surprisingly. Basically, hold on. There we go. Basically can move around. Strange, but whatever. And interesting thing, you can actually have this guy, have this guy, sit down. There we go. Practice. It's silly, but whatever. It's unique. Yeah. Anyways, this is pretty much a decent figure. Enough to say. The rate this figure, I'm gonna give it like about, let's see, about 9 out of 10. It's rare for me usually give a toy a 10 or even worse, or a 0. But I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. It's not really a bad toy. Nothing enough for to say. Although they should just make him look a little menacing. That's one thing. Now I'm going to change it to 8 because they should make the toy a little menacing. But overall, I do like the fact they, they did a decent job. Besides the look, they did a look of the face. They did a decent job in designing the toy. Okay, so that's really all to say about this. Hope you enjoy, and I'm hoping to do more toy reviews.